Ife Sibike Aboba Jehovah Zamo. And I remember the song, Abi. This is the direct expression.
They go like, you see they go again, Abi?
I'm going to go again.
You know they go?
Yes.
Okay, wait small. Hey! See me this. All of them don't come out.
Lord of Jesus, Father, save us. Holy Spirit, God of ancestors.
What's the one you?
God of Abraham, Isaac,
Where they go?
Jacob.
Where they go? Where they go? Where they go? Hey, shh, don't make noise.
I never knew slave queens, they pray in tongues. Hello, wonderful people, viewers and subscribers. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate every one of you who have sent a message, dropped comment, wishing me quick recovery. It has been a very tough 1 week that just passed. Honestly speaking, I am very grateful to you for your prayers, for your support, for your messages, and for your calls. May God bless you all richly as I am recovering back to my normal self, and I'll start dropping it back to back henceforth. Okay? Alright, so that is just what I want to say to you before I bring you more of my videos. Stay blessed, stay safe, continue watching, continue subscribing, continue sharing, continue dropping your comments. We read them. Even the critics, we also read them because it makes us better to serve you better. Alright, bye-bye. Enjoy your Sunday.